And a very good Thursday morning, folks. Now, if you've been watching Frankie Kent's videos of him making the chess set, oh, I've done my water. Of Frankie Kent, System Skynet, he's making this chess set. Well, I am the king. What an effort he's making on that one, man. He's had three goes at making me. He's just determined to get it right, man. It's absolutely brilliant to watch. It's intense stuff. It's gripping. Will there be air bubbles in it? Will the ties on my hat stay on this time? I don't know. Oh, it's intense stuff, man. So, Frankie, sir, you are wonderful. And if I was the king of the world, which unfortunately I'm not, I'm just a serving member of the public, I would have you knighted, and I would make you the king of making things. Along with Grandad as an old man there with you. Oh, it'd just be an awesome world if I was king, man, tell you. However, that's not the way it is. So, folks, now, yeah, I'm off to work. Apart from that. So, it's a homage to the wonderful Frankie Kent, folks. If you don't already subscribe to System Skynet's channel, then you are missing out on something amazing. He's like me, but younger, better looking, funnier. And he does, his content is very similar to mine. He does, sort of daft things. Like, just recently he was playing with Lego, the kind of thing I would do. I'm making noises with the bits and pew, pew. And, he's a child, a man-child, just like myself. So I think he deserves a song all to himself. So that'll be coming up very short indeed. As I said, there's not much to the song. It's just that sort of heroic, dun, 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 dun. I'm going to add a keyboard thing to it. So we're working on that over the next week or so. So that'll be the latest song. It'll be called System Skynet. Thank you. Good morning and welcome to another adventure of Jag Lives. Right, folks, here we are now. I've cleaned my car. I gave it a good scoosh there with the high pressure wash thing. £3. I got like 10 minutes on my car there, so I was giving it a good clean. So now what I want to do, I want to get, I need to put scoosh in my in the water thing, because the thing I've got in my water is actually stagnant. It stinks when you put the windscreen wipers on, the water comes out. It's absolutely stinking. So I'm gonna have to go and get some water and just drain that scoosh thing. So I've decided to go to Home Bargains because it'd be a lot cheaper. Oh, it's actually B&M's have come to, so not Home Bargains. B&M's, here we go. What does B&M stand for, actually? Who knows? Magic straws. Oh, guys, I'm absolutely starving. I had nothing to eat all day, so we're here at McDonald's. We're going to get a Big Mac meal with a Diet Coke, folks. It has to be. The Big Mac meal, Diet Coke, coming up. What's going on? Door open. Maybe the window doesn't work. What's going on? This is my tea, folks. I'm absolutely ravenous. And there we go. Folks, the McFlurry. Oh,
for 2504 Dewsbury, Scenery 248 pence by 2581 volts and play for game.
Oh, what's happened? Is it? I think it's done it. Has it done it? Oh, folks, look, my alien's falling apart here. He's got lost his arm. He's lost his foot. His foot's gone away. Look. Oh, it's just a disaster. Poor alien. He's falling apart, man. Oh no! Come on, alien, stay there. Oh, for God! Oh no! Oh, for God's sake! Come on, alien, stay there. Stay there. Stay with us. Right, folks, it's a disaster. Alien's falling apart. Like he's lost his foot, his arm. He's falling apart, man. The poor alien, look. He's just crumbling away, man. Oh, it's a disaster. Poor, and he fell. He fell last night. And he's lost his foot. Look. Oh dear, poor alien. He's falling apart. Yes, this alien now. I've had this alien for years, man. I've got him. I can't remember where I got him from now. Some sort of art show thing. But he just, as soon as I saw him, I thought, I'm having that. I'm having him. It was, I think it was 20 quid. And he sat on a globe and he was like over the world looking. And I've just kept him. Look, he's crumbling, man. He's falling apart. But you know what, man? I'm keeping him. Even though, look, his foot's come off as well. Look, his foot's come off. Oh, he's fallen again. Disaster. Come on in and stay up. Goodness me. So, yes, poor old alien. The alien is dying, folks. The alien is like E.T., you know, when E.T. Was in the river and he was like dying and everything. He's like, oh, phone home, or whatever it was, you know. This is what this alien's like. He's gone all dead skinny and I don't know what to do with him, man. But look, something's afoot. There it is. Look, his poor foot. Poor alien. All right, anyway, okay. But he's still here. He's still here with us, folks. He's still here. What have we got in the Kinder Egg, folks? What have we got? I couldn't help myself. I had to buy one. So most of them are animals, some sort of jungle animal things is what you're supposed to get. Some sort of animal collection. So we shall see what we've got. I'm not too fond of Kinder chocolate, but, you know, we shall see. There we go. I've opened it. And there it is. That's what we've got. We shall see what it is. What do you think it is, folks? Let's open it. Oh, pop. There we go. Oh, we've got some. We have to build something. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's quite a... Wow. Well, it's quite a... It looks like a bird or something. I think I've got to build a bird, man. Wow. Let's see what it is. Right. So this is what I've got, folks. I've got some sort of bird. It's even got instructions on it. How to do it. Right, let's see how we can work this out. Right, so the blue bit, oh, I've dropped it already, crikey. The blue bit goes on. Oh, that's his legs. That's what that is. That's his legs, right. So that goes in there. Come on, why aren't you working? Come on. Right, that goes in there. There we go. Next step is, well, that's the beak. What's that? That's that bit there. Well, is this the next bit? Right. So the feet, well, it's pointing that way. So this bit goes like that. Does it go like that? Yeah, I think it goes in there. Right, okay. I will tell you, a child trying to make that is impossible, man. It was difficult enough for me to get this thing organised. The instructions aren't particularly good, a bit ambiguous. They're sort of, the wings, you don't know which way the wings are supposed to be. And I don't even know if I've got that right or not, but there we go. Eventually we got it right, but it's just, oh man, it was just, I took about half an hour to make this. I'm not joking, folks. I was determined I was going to do it. And there it is, with stupid parrot thing. I don't even know what it's called. What's it called? A catooks. God knows what it is. It actually gives you some information about, you know, where it lives, and it looks like South America, and its wingspan and what it eats. It eats beetles, berries, and not sure that is. Yep. And it has parties at the weekend, seemingly. I think is that what it is? Parties at the weekend? I think so. Oh, I've got to drop the instructions. Where'd they go? Anyway, yeah, so there it is. That's the Magic Kinder app. Oh, download the free Magic Kinder app. Oh, I have to download that and see what that's all about. But there we go, folks. I give you that stupid bird. Right, we're going to have to put it up with the collection up here somewhere. Right, hang on. Put it up here. We'll put it up. We'll put it up there. There we go. Along with the, we'll put the Spiz badge there. So there it is. There we go. There it is, folks. It's there. Ah, what a nightmare that was, man, making that. Goodness me.